In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple CRM in Notion, perfect for beginners. A simple CRM keeps all your clients, conversations, and follow-ups in one place so nothing slips through the cracks. By the end, you'll have a clean, easy-to-use database that you can start using right away. First, create a dedicated space for your CRM. In Notion, click New Page and rename it CRM. Giving it a clear name makes it easy to find later and keeps your workspace organized. Next, add the structure that will hold your client data. On a new line, type /table, then choose Table, Full Page. This creates a full-page database that's great for focused tracking and gives you room to scale as your list grows. Now, let's shape the database so it works like a CRM. Rename the first column to Client Name. This is the title column and will be the main identifier for each client, so it's the best place for their name. Add a new column called Company and set it to text, which is perfect for simple company names. Add another column called Email and choose the email property type. This keeps addresses formatted correctly. Add Phone Number with the phone property so numbers stay consistent and clickable on mobile. Add a status column using the Select property and create the options Lead, Contacted, Won, and Lost. These give you a quick snapshot of where each client stands. Finally, add a Next Follow-up column and set it to Date so you always know when to reach out next. Populate your CRM with a couple of sample entries to test the flow. Add a client with a company you recognize, leave a safe, generic email placeholder if needed, choose Lead as the status, and set a next follow-up date like March 20th, 2025. Then add another example client, mark the status as Contacted, and set the follow-up to March 22nd, 2025. Seeing real dates helps you visualize how your schedule will look and ensures your setup feels practical from day one. From here, use your CRM to stay on top of your pipeline. Update the client's status as you progress, and keep adjusting the next follow-up date each time you make contact. This simple habit turns the table into a living system that reflects your real-world work. You'll quickly spot who needs attention next and maintain momentum without juggling sticky notes or scattered spreadsheets. And that's how you build a simple CRM in Notion. Like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Notion tutorials.